Welcome to Beautyistic, where we take a closer look at the products that promise to elevate our skincare routine. Now, if you're someone who's always searching for that instant skin revival, you've probably heard of Estee Lauder's Advanced Night Repair Concentrated Recovery Moisturizing PowerFoil Face Mask. This product is packed with hyaluronic acid and promises to leave your skin looking fresher and renewed with just one application. Sounds intriguing, right? Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can stay up to date with all our honest beauty reviews. The Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Face Mask comes in a convenient sheet form, which is always a plus when you're looking for something quick and effective. Inside this 4-pack, each mask is drenched in a powerful serum that floods the skin with moisture, giving it a fresh, revitalized feel. The key ingredient here is hyaluronic acid, which is known for its exceptional ability to attract and retain moisture. But how well does it deliver in real-life use? I had the opportunity to test this mask for a couple of weeks, and I can confidently say it lived up to its claims in terms of hydration. The mask itself fits the face well, with a silky smooth material that clings comfortably without slipping off. The serum is generously soaked in, so you can feel the skin soaking up all the moisture as soon as you place it on your face. My skin felt refreshed and plump right after I took it off, with no sticky residue left behind. What I appreciated the most is how calming the experience was, especially after a long day. However, I did notice that the mask didn't fully adhere around the jawline area, which is something to consider if you're looking for full coverage, but it wasn't a deal breaker. It's also worth noting that while the mask provides instant hydration, the effects seem to be more of a temporary pick-me-up than a long-term solution. It's perfect for when you want a quick refresh, but if you're dealing with deeper hydration needs, this might not replace your regular moisturizing routine. When it comes to performance, the mask really shines in terms of giving that instant glow and hydration boost. It's a great product for those moments when your skin feels dry or tired and you need a quick fix before an event or meeting. But for regular use, I'd consider incorporating it into your routine just once or twice a week, especially if you don't have overly dry skin. As for the price, Estee Lauder's products are known for being on the higher end, and this mask is no different. At about $75 for a 4-pack, it's not exactly the most budget-friendly option. However, considering the premium nature of the ingredients and the instant results it delivers, it's certainly a worthwhile indulgence for anyone looking to treat themselves to a luxury skincare experience. If you're willing to splurge a little, this product offers solid value for money, but there are definitely other options that can deliver similar hydration at a more affordable price point. Now, if you're thinking about alternatives, brands like Neutrogena and Dr. Howe Jart Plus offer hydrating sheet masks that perform similarly, but at a fraction of the price. These may not have the same luxury feel, but if you're on a budget, they are worth checking out. Overall, the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Face Mask is a great quick fix for tired, dehydrated skin. It provides instant results and feels like a mini spa experience at home. But for long-term hydration and skincare benefits, it may not replace more intensive treatments. Still, it's perfect when you need that glowing, hydrated skin in a flash. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you never miss another honest review. If you're ready to grab one for yourself, the link is in the comments below. And if you've used this mask before, drop a comment to let us know what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.